So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the daily top losing cryptocurrencies here on Yahoo Finance. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Yahoo Finance application. Once that is done, just go to the bottom bar and press on the Discover icon or the magnifying glass if that's a little bit easier. Now once you're here, go to the top left under Discover to where it says Equity, Crypto, ETF, etc. Press on Cryptocurrency right here in the top left. Make sure that it's highlighted blue. Then where it says, if you scroll down a little bit, it says Daily Gainers and Losers. Discover the cryptocurrencies with the greatest gains and losses in the last 24 hours. As of right now, the Day Gainers is selected. But if you were to go ahead and press on Losers right here to make sure that highlights blue, the Daily Losers right here is right in front of you. So if you were to go ahead and press on this, you can view sort of the latest in regards to the cryptocurrencies that have lost the most in the last 24 hours. So fairly straightforward, but this is how to view the day top losing cryptocurrencies on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.